Donald and Douglas, the two twins, had given out shunting restrictions from the other engines, and to only expect the other engines to take some of the trucks they had sorted out first. But one day, a little engine approached.
Sorry, trucks.
What are you supposed to be doing here?
Oh, hello. Didn't expect to see you here. My name's Philip.
Pleased to meet you, Philip.
Now, what are you doing out in the shunting yard? Oh, I'm in the wrong siding. Sorry, y'all. Oh, hello.
We don't need movement, silly. What's going on here?
My name's Philip, okay? And sorry for leaving I was in the wrong siding, y'all.
Philip didn't know where to go.
Hello there. You supposed to be the Duchess or something? Yeah, I'm the Duchess. Why? Because I thought you were, big engine. Indicating the clumsiness. Just what you based on what you have here. First of all, let's not talk about that. And second of all, I'll tell you what to do. Wait, watch that. Oh, gracious. Something's going on. Don't tell me they're going to need a crane to lift me out of there.
Philip didn't know where he was heading, but bumped straight into Percy.
Wow! Yes, it's me. I know.
Well, I'm looking for something here. Now, would you like to see me, join in?
It's okay. They'll send you from the Navy line. Then we'll give you, some trucks to arrange.
Okay, see you then, Percy.
I'm sorry to say that Percy didn't quite have enough to shift to push the trucks near. As in, he was arranging these for Philip. Percy really didn't enjoy taking trucks over. Not till he was saying he'd be a little bit more pleased.
Don't know, Philip's at it again.
I'll soon settle that.
Okay, now pay attention, Philip. This is such a situation to handle. I don't know.
Okay. I should just stand there until, nobody can see me.
Wait, somebody has to be in sight somehow. What do I have to do with this Philip Diesel box cab?
Wait, Percy, there's a line over there.
What? Philip! What the?
Philip had ran to some of the trucks that Percy had sorted through.
Oh my god.
It took more than quite enough cranes to necessarily take Philip out. Later, things had gotten through this great force. As in later, Philip was asked to take several vans.
Right, Philip. You should go the other way around. I should be right there, okay?
But Philip was too excited to wait. Later, Percy had just gotten back to take some of his vans. But what he did not realize that Philip was already gone.
Oh no! That was my idea. Hope Sir Top of Hat doesn't see this.
But he did.
Philip, you should be waiting for Percy. And that should be go ahead by now. Sorry, sir.
Great, Philip. You should only call Sir Top of Hat, sir. Come on, let me try to give you another jurisdiction to follow.
Right, Percy.
Later, Philip was asked to take Annie and Clarabelle.
Wow. I've never been doing this my entire life.
Well, this is what it should have been, Philip. Otherwise, facing it is wrong.
Okay. See you anyway.
Percy was only pleased to see Philip go. Now, the thing Percy knew what not to do was to conclude things while showing the engine some ropes. After that, Percy had just got done letting Philip show himself the ropes. But Percy, as John said,
There may not be enough room to stay here at Tidmouth Sheds.
I didn't know they get to stay here once the other engines are away, of some sort.
you can stay with me if you want.
Okay. Nice to know this, but where you at?
I'm at Wellsworth, okay? I'll try to show you the ropes at Wellsworth.